So I wasn't sure if you guys heard that noise when I turned. We believe it's a tire on it in right here. So I order it and we're gonna install it, but my dad was telling me this piece right here, can't remember what's it called. It looks maybe loose. It's a thing probably making that popping noise. So we're gonna tighten this, and then we'll might as well just replace the tire on in since I already ordered it. But yeah, let's see if that solves that problem of every time either I'm turning or going straight, probably like between 10 and 15 miles per hour, I hear that popping noise. Yeah, as you can see, my car's not in the great shape. We're gonna be fixing this bumper as well, but our main focus is that tie rod in. Hopefully that fixes the problem. Try to have it in a decent shape before going back to school. Yep. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we tighten that little stabilizer link, that little piece. It was loose, I think, from the last time we did some work. We took off that stabilizer bar. Right now I'm going like 15 miles per hour. I'm not hearing that noise. Usually it does it. So I think that was the problem. I'm gonna keep driving for a little bit. Hopefully that was a problem. I might just put on that tie rod in. Either I might just put it on a different day. It's pretty hot right now. It's California weather, man. And yeah, hopefully that was the issue I had. See, usually when I turn, it wouldn't do it as well. Nope, no noise. I guess I was the issue. I still need to drive around, but usually when I would drive around turns, when I go say like right now 10 miles per hour, 15, I would hear it. I'm not hearing it right now. So yeah, I think that was the issue. Yeah, I might turn this on. My dad, his Ford Windstar, it had the same noise, and he replaced the CV axles on it. Still the same thing. Then he replaced that tie rod in. It stopped making the noise, so he told me that could have been the problem with my car. So I ordered it. I ordered that tie rod in, and as you guys saw, we took off the tire and everything, and he looked at that stabilizer link, and yeah, it was loose. Just in case you guys have similar problems, you know, you guys do something on your car, you guys forget to connect something, tighten something, and issues come up. But yeah, I'm glad we're able to solve it. So right now I'm give you guys a little VTEC pull right now. be stepping on the pedal too much, especially with that bumper like already wanting to fall off. But I think that's what I'm gonna do right now. I bought those quick release for the bumper, so I'm gonna install that, and I'm gonna install the shield guard that goes around the tire as well as the engine bay, because when it rains here in California, a bunch of water and dirt and stuff gets onto my engine bay, and yeah, it's pretty messy. So my channel is gonna be a automotive channel, cars, fixing them up, modification, any problems I come across with my car or my parents' car. But yeah, I was mentioning I'm gonna be it's gonna be a car channel, so I'm gonna be trying to fix up my RSX. You know how you guys seen the front end, pretty messed up, pretty destroyed. So that's one thing I would like to do, kind of like make my car look nice, presentable. So yeah, I guess that fixed the problem. That link, the stabilizer link was loose, and yes, you can see my bumpers all loose. Good thing zip ties are your best friends. How this happened, I was parking, and there was a curve, and I went over the curve and it came off. Yeah, so we're gonna put that quick release right now. This is pretty messed up too, right here, this portion. My dad was backing up and he hit it, and it made a dent. So this has messed up as well, not as bad as that side. But yeah, I wasn't sure putting it on this edge or right here, but I think it's better putting it on this side. Well, for my car, it's bumper's pretty messed up, as you can see. Bunch of paint missing, crack. Yep. This one needs to be painted. Let's see if it fits. So this is the final result. It'll be a little bit better. Hopefully that keeps on my bumper tight. So yeah, I had gotten these a while back, but I was being lazy about it. Put it on, and not too long ago I was seeing some YouTube video, and I saw the new ones they have that were just like this piece, and they connected to the this plastic piece right here. So it's just one. Looks a little bit better, and they're what I was seeing, those are the other quick release latch is way better, because from what I was seeing, the rubber bands with the sun, they so yeah, the rubber bands, they tend to dry and crack, eventually rip off. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this on, see how long they last, and then once the rubber band rips off or something, I'm gonna try to get the other quick release latch. So yeah, we're gonna continue to the other side, and yeah, after that I'm gonna put the plastic wheel guard or shield, and then the engine, the one that goes below. And I also feel like putting the fog lights on because I hate seeing this hole right here on both sides. I'm gonna just put the base and the light on. I'm not gonna connect the wires yet. So yeah, let me finish the other side and then we'll continue.